Hello! Welcome to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaylin. Think about your daily life. You meet new people often. You meet them at work, at school, or at parties. When you meet someone new, they usually ask one question to start talking. They ask, "What do you do?" This question helps people understand you. It helps you build a connection with them. Do you know how to answer this question in English? Today, I will teach you exactly what to say. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your job clearly. First, let's listen to a conversation between Tom and Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. It is good to see you again.
Hi, Tom. It is good to see you too. How are you?
I am very well, thank you. I have a new job.
Really? That is great news. What do you do?
I am a chef. I work at a big restaurant in the city center.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. I make Italian food. It is very busy, but I enjoy cooking.
Is it hard work?
Sometimes I stand for many hours, but the people are friendly. What about you? What do you do now?
I am a dentist. I work at a clinic near the park.
A dentist. That is an important job. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I help people have healthy teeth. It feels good to help people.
That is wonderful. What are your hours?
I work from 9 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. It is a good schedule.
That is good. I work in the evenings, so I sleep late.
We have very different days, but I am happy for you, Tom.
Thank you, Lisa. I am happy for you too.
Did you understand their conversation? Tom and Lisa talked about their lives. It was simple and clear. Now, let's look at the three most important parts of that conversation. First, look at the question Tom asked. He asked, "What do you do?" This is very important. He did not ask, "What is your job?" In English, native speakers usually say, "What do you do?" Sometimes this is confusing. You might think, "What am I doing right now?" But when someone asks this, they mean, "What is your profession?" So when you hear, "What do you do?" tell them about your work. Second, look at how Lisa answered. She said, "I am a dentist." Look at the grammar here. It is very strict. You say, "I am," then you must add "a," and then your job. Many students forget the "a." They say, "I am dentist." But in English, we say, "I am a dentist." Tom followed the same rule. He said, "I am a chef." If you are a teacher, you say, "I am a teacher." If you drive a taxi, you say, "I am a driver." Always remember the "a." Finally, they talked about where they work. Lisa said, "I work at a clinic." Tom said, "I work in a restaurant." We use the phrase, "I work," and then we say the place. You can use the words at or in. I work at a bank. I work in an office. We use the phrase, "I work," and then we say the place. This adds detail to your answer. It helps the other person imagine your day. So, how do you put it all together? To answer the question, "What do you do?" you only need two simple sentences. Here is the structure you should use. Number 1, I am a plus your job title. Number 2, I work at plus the place. Let's practice this structure with some new jobs. Look at this picture. I am a doctor. I work at a hospital. Now look at this one. I am a shop assistant. I work at a store. See, it is very easy to remember. You just need the job and the place. Now it is your turn. I want to know about you. I will ask you 2 questions. Please answer them out loud. After you practice speaking, please write your answers in the comments below this video. Are you ready? Question 1. What do you do? Question 2. Where do you work? Please type your answers in the comments now. I want to read about your job. Great job today. You can now introduce your job in English confidently. If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the JISH Learn English Podcast. It helps me make more lessons for you. I am Shaylin. See you in the next video.